Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest money management hacks. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to transfer money from PayPal to FamPay in 2025. If you're a parent using FamPay for your kids' allowances or just want a seamless way to move funds, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even easier with the latest updates, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both a PayPal account and a FamPay account set up. You'll need to verify your identities and link any necessary bank accounts to avoid any hiccups. Once that's done, open your PayPal app or website and log in securely. It's always a good idea to use two-factor authentication for extra security. Now, head over to the Send and Transfer section in PayPal. Look for the option to add a new recipient or search for FamPay directly. Thanks to 2025's integrations, it should pop up easily. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and double-check for any fees that might apply, as these can vary based on your location and account type. Next, select FamPay as the destination. You'll be prompted to confirm details like the recipient's FamPay ID or linked email. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm Transfer button. In just a few seconds, the money should be on its way. FamPay usually processes transfers instantly, but keep an eye on your transaction history to confirm. One quick tip: if you run into any issues, like an error message, make sure your accounts are fully linked and that you have sufficient funds in PayPal. If needed, reach out to customer support through the apps. They're pretty responsive these days. And there you have it. You've just mastered transferring money from PayPal to FamPay in 2025. It's that straightforward and helps you manage finances like a pro. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.